This is the story of how Stephen and Kelly sold their Kingsport, Tennessee home when a new job called them to South Carolina, a quick cash close, no realtor required. They couldn't be dealing with showings and negotiations while trying to start over somewhere new. Favor Home Solutions made it simple. Here's how it happened. When Stephen got the job offer in South Carolina, the timeline wasn't flexible. A new employer, a new city, a start date on the calendar. Everything was moving forward except the one thing anchoring them to Tennessee, their home in Kingsport. For Stephen and Kelly, this wasn't a situation where they could afford to wait 6 weeks for a buyer, negotiate repairs, and hope a lender's appraisal came back clean. They needed the house sold, genuinely sold, not just listed, so they could focus on building a new life in South Carolina instead of managing an unsold property from hundreds of miles away. The traditional route didn't fit the moment. Listing with a realtor meant weeks of showings, an uncertain timeline, and the ever-present risk that a deal could fall through at the last minute over an inspection item or a financing hiccup. The commission alone would have cost them thousands. More than the money, though, it was the uncertainty that didn't work. They couldn't pack up, drive south, and start a new job while simultaneously coordinating open houses and waiting for offers. And every part of the conventional path worked against their deadline. A 60 to 90-day listing didn't fit a start date weeks away. A deal could collapse over an inspection item and reset the clock to zero. Carrying 2 households meant paying twice while they waited. And managing showings from another state was friction they couldn't take on. Something had to give. Then they began looking into options for selling a home during a relocation and came across Favor Home Solutions. They buy houses across Kingsport and all of Tennessee as is, for cash with no realtor and no commissions on a guaranteed close. The conversation was straightforward. Here's the house, here's the situation, here's when we need to be gone. From there, it was exactly what they needed. First, Favor Home Solutions made a cash offer based on the home's current condition, no strings attached. Then no repairs were required and no agent was involved, with the closing costs covered. And finally, the sale closed on a schedule built around Stephen's start date. Here's what Stephen and Kelly walked away with. The move became possible, the house genuinely sold, not just listed, before they drove south. There was no realtor and no commission, a direct sale, more money in their pockets. And it was certain, a guaranteed close, no deal hanging by a thread. Look at the numbers. 0 realtor commission off the top. 0 days the move had to wait on the house. Favor Home Solutions covered the closing costs and closed around Stephen's start date, and the weight of an unsold house lifted before they left. No showings to coordinate from out of state. No deal collapsing at inspection. No 2 households to carry. No move on hold while they waited for an offer. The thing anchoring them to Tennessee was simply gone. The result? Stephen and Kelly walked away with cash in hand and the freedom to make the drive to South Carolina without a house hanging over their heads. The move they'd been nervous about became the clean break they'd hoped for. Maybe Stephen and Kelly's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. Relocating for a new job, a start date that can't wait, wanting to skip the agent and commissions, needing a guaranteed close, any condition, or simply needing certainty before a move. If you need to sell before a move in Kingsport or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is no realtor, no commissions, a guaranteed cash close on your timeline. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.